Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by grabbing your trainer code and making it easy to share. Open your profile, tap the Friends tab, and copy or screenshot the code. That's how people add you. Once done, make sure your location and internet are stable so requests go through immediately. If you want faster responses, post the code in a message with a short intro about play times, because people are likelier to add users who explain when they'll be online. Next, actively send and accept requests. You paste someone's code and hit Send Request, and when you receive requests, you decide quickly to accept or decline. You do this because mutual ads unlock trading, raids, and bonuses. Speed matters for time-sensitive events like raids. Also, use local meetups or community posts to coordinate friend exchanges. People add familiar names faster. Once accepted, send a quick in-game gift right away to raise friendship level and cement the connection. Finish by turning ads into active friends. Send daily gifts, join raids together, and trade to raise friendship levels for bonuses. You do these actions because they build trust and unlock game perks like attack boosts. If something breaks, first restart the app and check your internet, then verify you use the exact trainer code. Small typos block requests. If problems persist, take screenshots and contact support or remove and re-add the contact. That often clears stuck pending requests and sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.